At an elevation of a little over 600 metres and located just outside Toowoomba in southeast Queensland is a plateau that is the summit of Table Top Mountain, and today we're going to see if we can rise to the challenge and conquer the Table Top Mountain trail hike. It was about 9:15 in the morning as we made our way to the parking area at the base of the level 5 2-kilometre hike. The closer we got, the more I actually realised the task ahead, and I was starting to think that this was going to be a little bit more than just a hike. After checking out the signage, we set our sights on the first stage of the trek, but before we head off, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe and set notifications if you would like to see more videos like this one. And now, lace up your bootstraps and let's get stepping. The track starts out with some large bluestone gravel type rocks, but quickly becomes a series of steps crafted by Mother Nature out of these larger rocks that just seems to go up and up and up. Making it to the top of this first climb, we trudge through some long grass to emerge out onto a rocky crop for the first reward of the journey. So we're in Toowoomba and we're doing the Table Top Mountain hike, a bit of a climb. We're at kind of like just up over the first stage. Bit of a climb to here. It's flattened out a little bit of a track, and that's where we're heading up there. Pushing on, and we begin to ascend another section of bluestone. There's plenty of shade along the way. And before long, we are pausing for another quick break and some more scenic views. So, made it to the final stage, last bit of a climb, which is this behind me here, to get to the top of Table Top. Let's go. The last section is a little more challenging as you find yourself at times on all fours, negotiating the jagged rocks that rise to the summit. As I make my way up and over the last of the climb, I steady my breathing and prepare to take in the view looking west back towards Toowoomba. Following the track that loops around the top of Table Top Mountain, and you come to a small pile of stones where you can join in with the somewhat strange tradition and add a stone to the pile. And then get set to take in some more panoramic views out over the Lockyer Valley. After exploring the top, it's now time to make our descent, which is still a challenge in itself. We've made it back over the first ridge and we can see the car, so it's all downhill from here. It was 11:30 when we made it back to the car, so the hike took us a little over 2 hours. We took it slow, rested heaps, and spent about 20 minutes up the top. All up, it was quite an enjoyable experience with a medium amount of fitness and mobility required, with a pretty good reward to effort ratio. So do yourself a favour, next time you're in the Toowoomba area, and make the trip out to Table Top Mountain and take the challenge.